Hey guys, what's up? It's Brendan here from Whispernode. Figure a lot of you guys got your Enigma swapped for Secret on Binance, and you're trying to figure out how do I delegate that to a validator. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little tutorial. I'm going to be using a ledger. Hopefully you guys got yourself a ledger. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Get that crypto off the exchange and onto your ledger so it's secure. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Puzzle.Report. Puzzle.Report, it's a great blockchain explorer. It's built by Secret Nodes. Ian and Jacob over at Secret Nodes, they're great guys. They do a ton for the community. As you can see, they're building a lot of tooling for the network. So you're going to get here and you're going to see a long list of validators, and you're probably going to ask yourself, well, who should I validate to? The things you want to consider for that are uptime. Do they have 100% uptime or some kind of uptime guarantee? You don't want to see your validator get slashed and you miss out on some rewards. You don't want to see them go down and get jailed for a period of time where you're not earning rewards. You can look at commission rate, but really another thing you want to look at is who are these validators? How are they involved in the community? Are they contributing? Are they building tooling? Are they creating tutorials? Are they participating on secret network committees and contributing there? So I'm going to go down here to Whispernode. I like those guys. I'm going to click on Wallet here. And I'm going to sign into my ledger, type in my password, and then I'm going to go to my Cosmos app and ready that. And then I'm going to click on Ledger. I'm going to connect here. And I'm going to click New Delegation. I'm going to select Validator again. I'm going to select Whispernode again because I like those guys. And you can see I have 7.8 secret in my wallet right now. Just when you're thinking about delegating, you want to make sure you leave enough secret to cover the transaction costs. You can see here it's telling me the transaction fee will be 0.05 secret. It can run, up to 0.25 secret. So just make sure you leave, 1 secret or so in your wallet to cover those transaction costs. So I'm just going to delegate 5 secret here, and then I'm going to click Sign with Ledger. And I'm going to go to my ledger. I'm going to get a little message to view the transaction. I'm going to click over to the right, all the way, review that transaction, and then I'm going to sign the transaction. As soon as I do that, I get a little pop-up. Delegation successfully submitted, guys. So what I'm going to do there is just click this view transaction and review it on the chain. There it is. Looks like my delegation of 5 secret to Whispernode was successful. Just to double check that, I can go to transactions up here, and I can see that I successfully delegated 5 secret to Whispernode along with all those other transactions that occurred on chain. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. You can see that the guys at Puzzle made it really simple to delegate using Ledger. There's other tools out there. There's Math Wallet, Kepler Wallet. I'm going to do another tutorial for Kepler Wallet. If you enjoyed this content, give me a follow, give me a like, shout out in the Telegram, or, delegate some tokens. It really helps for operations and keeping the motivation going to keep pumping out the content. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.